never took a L, lesson learned, and I bounce back. Tripping off a nigga, man, for what? I just fall back. I don't have the time to be giving out my time. Haters trying to dim my light, cause they know I'm about to shine. When they say I'm not hot, now you know you niggas lying.
What's up, y'all? I'm Khadijah Nicole, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm coming at y'all fresh face. Well, not completely, I got my eyebrows on. Went ahead and did those because today I'm going to be filming a college get ready with me video. So I just went ahead and did my eyebrows because usually it takes me a while, you know. Eyebrows are a whole masterpiece. They are a work of art. So I be having to take my time with my eyebrows. So I went ahead and did those. But yeah, like I said, today I'm going to be filming a get ready with me video. So today's video is sponsored by Scentbird, and I want to jump in and talk about the company a little bit. So I have worked with Scentbird a few times in the past. You may have seen them here on my channel before. And Scentbird is a luxury fragrance subscription service. It's a monthly service. I like to refer back to the quote that they like to use, and it is date your fragrance before marrying it. So pretty much every month you can get a new fragrance for only $14.95. You can pick which fragrance you want to try, and I love the whole idea of trying out the actual fragrance before, you know, committing to a large size bottle. So all of the fragrance do come in a little pouch like this here, and the drawstrings closed. Once you go ahead and open it, it comes in this little tube here. It's just like a lipstick tube. Oh, upside down. It's just like a lipstick tube. You just twist it and then you're ready to spray it on your skin. You know, sometimes you may get busy and forget which fragrance you chose, but all you do is twist the top up and then you can pop it right out. And then on the side, it'll tell you what exactly fragrance you got for that month. And this one says Amore Reflection Woman. And I actually have two other ones that I'll be sharing with you guys. So stay tuned to the end of the video, and I'm gonna let y'all know how they smell and all that good stuff. And because today's video is about college, I think Scentbird is perfect for picking out your luxury fragrances. As a college student, you ain't got all that money to be splurging on fragrances. So for today's look, I won't be doing too much. I didn't used to do like a whole beat face in college. I would just do something simple. My favorite things were brows, wing liner, and mascara mostly. But I'm gonna do a little foundation and all that good stuff. But anyways, so I'm using this handheld mirror because in the process of filming this, I broke my full body mirror. I broke another one earlier this week. So I don't know what it is, but I guess something don't want me to be great, but guess what? The show must go on, so. But yeah, y'all, how's everybody's first couple of weeks of college been? I know y'all back in school. If y'all don't know, I am an alumni of NCCU. Wait, let me rephrase that. The illustrious North Carolina Central University. There we go. Yeah, that's where I went, and I graduated in 2016. So as far as some of you guys going back to school, I feel like a good topic to talk about right now is making friends. Because when I went to Central, I didn't really go with nobody I knew like that. Like, I had to, all the friends I have now, I met them at school. Like, my besties, my close people right now that I'm friends with, they're all my college friends. Them my ride or dies. Them the ones I'm inviting to my wedding, to my baby showers, to my everything. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? But one thing I would say, like, when it comes to making friends in college, one of the best things to do is just to like get out there and talk to people, which is hard because when I first went to college, like freshman year, I ain't talked to nobody really. My roommate was my friend, and that was about it. We'd hang out with like the dudes that lived in the basement. Yeah, so they just called themselves the basement crew. I mean, it's easy to talk to dudes because they gonna be trying to talk to you anyways. But yeah, we made kind of friends with them, and then my roommate was my friend, but besides that, I didn't really talk to nobody freshman year. And then sophomore year came, and that's when it got popping. I definitely say one way to make friends in college is to join organizations outside of just like trying to be friends with your roommate and stuff like that. That's another way that I made some good friends, like really close friends. I joined a modeling organization, and I made some really good friends through that. We did a lot of stuff. Like, even outside of practices and doing performances, we would do stuff. We went through some stuff. Like, that organization helped me really find myself and help me just prosper, bring out the inner Khadijah, because I was always kind of shy growing up. And then Your girl went to college, got into a modeling organization, and I blossomed. So yeah, I definitely say one way to make friends is to join an organization. And trust me, it's an organization out there for everybody. And don't just think like, oh, Greek life. Like, yeah, that's cool, but don't feel like you have to join it. I feel like people, when they think of organizations, that's all they think about, but it's other stuff. Hold on a minute, I'm back. So my grandma just called me. But anyways, I went ahead and finished doing that foundation. Now I got some highlight on. But yeah, back to what I was talking about. Also a great way to build, like even if y'all don't become like great friends, it's a great way to network too. Y'all can reach out to one another, help each other out in situations. So even if you don't become the best of friends, you'll at least have that connect too. But yeah, I hope friend making has been going good for you if you don't really have friends like that. And if it hasn't been going that good, I hope it goes better. Like I said, you know, try to join some organizations, or just try to step outside of your comfort zones. Maybe try to sit with people in a cafe, go to events, go to stuff outside of university life. As long as it's safe, you know, go to parties and stuff. That's a way to meet people, to go out. Like maybe y'all can connect through Twitter or Instagram. One thing I definitely say is like a big factor and just like completely shapes the whole experience of attending HBCU is the whole culture of music. It's amazing. When you're on campus at events and they playing the type of music that you love, and it's just like people around you love the same type of music and y'all just bonding and whatever. All right, I gotta speed through this part too because I gotta concentrate on doing my wing liner, and this should be the last part I speed through. Even outside of, you know, turning up on campus with music, having campus DJ, having the band, all of that. I used to love when we would have celebrities on campus, their homecoming, and just special events for lyceums. I can tell y'all like all of the artists that I experienced while being at Central. Marvin Sapp, which is a gospel singer. I've seen Dion Kipping, which is another gospel singer. And I had never heard of him before until homecoming. He's like one of my favorite gospel singers now. Central also had French Montana, Big Crit, Pusha T, Tiana Taylor, YG. I missed him when he came. I was so pissed. Well, even back in the day, Central had like Drake, Kendrick Lamar, and I feel like the students back then didn't even know what level of a legendariness they were experiencing. We've also had 21 Savage, Migos, Black Youngsta, Missed Him, and y'all, the one I'm so upset about, I wanted to kick my ass every day for missing, was Bay. Jacquees, y'all. He came one day for a training day, which is the day when like school is about to start and they had like just a whole turn up session basically. And Jacquees came and performed and I missed it because I was moving into my apartment. I was so mad. It was probably good I missed it because I probably would have ran on stage and then got arrested. But nah, I'm really mad about that still to this day. I have not seen him in concert and that was completely free. You don't even gotta pay to go to that. I could have seen him for free. But yeah, since I'm talking about music, I feel like one of my top experiences and one thing that I'll always share with somebody about my experience of going to Central was that I took a hip hop class and my professor was Ninth Wonder. And I learned so much with being in his class, and not even just about hip hop music. Like he taught us stuff about the government, just like a lot of stuff, like some deep stuff. We would have a good class conversation. We'd talk about events that was going on that day or the previous day, politics and stuff. We did a lot in that class and I really enjoyed it. And the thing that I liked about the class is we didn't really necessarily have homework. We really just discussed in class and talked about stuff, and he told us stuff and we learned. And that's like one of the top classes. I'd say I definitely learned the most in that class. Stuff that I could actually use in life. And yeah, I really enjoyed that class. So if you go to Central and you haven't taken this class or you're thinking about taking it, take it, because you're gonna learn a lot. At the end of the year, of course, we had to have like a final project, and the final project was to dissect like classic albums. The album that my group had was Southern Playlistic Cadillac Music, which is from Outkast. And I actually learned a lot more stuff about Outkast that I didn't know about them, and just how they shape culture and all that stuff. Go ahead and set my face. This is NYX. I love spraying and setting spray. It just feels so refreshing. I love it, I love it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and fix my hair. So I took my scarf off thinking I was gonna have to fix this hair, but I don't think it needs no fixing. Well, anyway, so I want to show y'all the other tubes of fragrance I got. I showed y'all the white one. I also got a pink one and a purple one. Let's see, put it on me. Yeah, this one smells good. It smells real, this one smells real feminine and like sexy. So I'm gonna wear this one today. Also, the thing I love about these are they are travel size, so you can just throw these in your purse. You know how some days you like, oh, forgot to put on perfume. I want to smell good today. Have it in your purse and boom. Spray it on and you good. So if you have just started your new freshman year, you know, you're a couple weeks in, I hope it's going good for you. Let me know in the comments how everything's going. Are you making friends? Have you not, you know, met anybody like that yet? Maybe you can use my tips in the beginning to get around to making some friends. But yeah, if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button below and join the team. Right after that, make sure you hit that notification bell so you are instantly notified whenever I post a new video here on my channel. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll catch you in the next video. Your girl is out.
Boy, black skin, that my brody. Young black girl, black skin, she so lovely. All my little homies in the hood, some of them thuggin'. But mother, for your standards, my head nappy, bitch, I love it. Riding through the city.